Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform this wig into that wig. Alright, so stay tuned and watch. So this is the wig I'm going to change into a new thing, and it's been washed so it doesn't look alright. It looks all the cut and that. So first and foremost, I'm going to use my mousse. Yeah, so after you've put all your mousse in it and you section it very well, I'm going to just cover it. So this is a video, just a quick one for you to know how to deal with so I'm going to put the do-rag on, and if you don't have the dryer at home, just leave it to settle down, like I would say a day, so that when you leave it, it will go flat. You saw how the hair was looking like. I'm going to just, and I'll see you later with the drying and the process. We are almost through to and that, and I bought it long time ago for the salon. The beauty of it. So when you are straightening wig, please don't do it anyhow. Take it session. Ooh, so far so good. So we've got this bit. No jumping. Do it. So can you see that the hair is more silky and bouncy? That hair that was just lying there, it's got body now. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and get more tutorial and tips about hair coming. Thank you. Bye.